The overall goal of the experiment is to overcome current issues with conventional Annexin V and Propidium iodide staining techniques for evaluation of cell death by apoptosis and/or necrosis. We have found that conventional staining approaches of a broad range of cell lines and primary cells results in up to 40% false positive events. These false positive events are due to staining of cytoplasmic RNA. Conversely, our protocol drastically reduces the number of false positive incidences by introducing fixation and RNA degradation steps at specific stages in the staining procedure. First, cells are stained with Annexin V and Propidium iodide to detect cell death as per conventional procedures. Next, the cells are fixed with 1% formaldehyde, which increases the permeability of the plasma membrane. Finally, the fixed cells are treated with RNase A in order to degrade cytoplasmic RNA, eliminating false positive causing Propidium iodide staining.
Like many cell biologists, we have used conventional Annexin V and Propidium iodide flow cytometry methods for detecting apoptotic and necrotic cell death. Unfortunately, we have recently found that this method leads to a significant number of false positive events, up to 40% in a range of cell lines and primary cells. This updated method overcomes these caveats.
Our approach takes advantage of cell fixing and RNA digestion in specific steps throughout the procedure to selectively remove cytoplasmic RNA staining that directly leads to these false positive events.
Harvest the cells to be analyzed for the experiment. In this video, we use raw macrophages as an example. Centrifuge the samples at 335 Gs for 10 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius, decant the supernatant, and resuspend the cells in 2 milliliters of 1x PBS. Then wash the cells again under the same conditions, this time resuspending the cells in 1 milliliter.